Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Palesa and welcome to this hair review. This hair was sent to me by Yolova hair. It is a 22-inch loose wave teapot wig, and as you can see, it is the bomb.com. I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this hair. Please stay tuned to the video. So the hair came in this box. It reads Yolova Born for Beauty, and it has this little thank you card where they explain their membership points. They also sent me some wig caps and then these lashes. Would you ever see me in such? Then they also sent me this skin belt strap. It has velcro, so no more smacking my ears with elastic. Then it came with a duster bag as well for storage. And then I'm going to show you the hair. This is what it looks like. And it has this, I don't know if it's silk or what, but it's very nice on the skin. And then the hair is a loose wave wig. I've never done a loose wave wig. So once I've secured the hair and I've placed it, I like to go ahead and tie the hair away from my face. This enables me to work without like hair bothering me. I'm just brushing the hairs that are kind of loose and sticking out in the beginning, and then I'm going to cut away the excess lace off the closure. So you will see I am going to put my scissors in deep so I can get at that closure so it melts. Then I'm going in with my Got2b glued spray. This was actually not really necessary because at this point that wig is blending into my skin quite well, but I just wanted to tack down the bit of the closure that was sticking up. I'm going to use the strap they sent me, and let me tell you, this feels so good. It's easy to wrap around and I'm not strangling my brain. But anyway, I'm going to leave this on for a few minutes and then I'm going to take it off and I will be ready to do my makeup so I can give you guys the finished look. I'm going in with my water and conditioner mixture and I'm just spraying that all over the hair. I'd like to define these loose waves a little bit more, so I'm going to spritz it with the water and conditioner mixture, brush it through, and then go in with the Afri True curl defining mousse. I am going to repeat the exact same steps on the other side of my hair. Spray, brush, and then define with the mousse. And this is the finished look. You can see the curls are a little bit more defined. They're going to look so good once they've completely dried, but I absolutely love this hair. I bet you can tell. This hair is absolutely gorgeous and I'm totally in love with it. I am going to leave all the details for you in the description box down below. If you have any questions, please leave them for me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I will see you in my next video.